Start the car.
We're about to start the car, guys. We're gonna see if it works. Okay.
Yes! Hell yeah! Hey, come on, baby! Come on! Yes! Come on! Ah! Yes! Yes!
Okay. Okay.
Are we rolling?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Let's go in front of the car.
I'm gonna go over here. Sun's in my eyes right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Day 6.
I don't remember. It's been a long week.
Thursday, Friday. What's after Friday? Saturday, Sunday, Monday,
Domingo.
Tuesday. And we're Wednesday again?
Yeah, it's like 7 days, 8,
8.
9?
Day 8.
I don't know.
Okay. That's gonna be a decent blooper right there.
I'm excited for bloopers.
I need to hold the car, otherwise the car's gonna fall down.
Same.
Day 8 of building the Fast and Furious
S2000?
S2000. Amazing. Buttoning things up. So, today my task is to finally bring the front bumper on the car properly with everything. That includes a bit of work on the bumper itself and on the extension that I did on the plastic bits. Meanwhile, you are going to...
So I've got one of the last things on the superchargers to upgrade the fuel pump. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna button up the seats, maybe get those ready. And really that's it. As soon as he's done with the front bumper, we've got to do the lights and
The hood, dude.
the hood.
Dude.
Oh. Wait, do we actually need a hood?
Need is a big term.
I lost the fuel pump already.
What?
I lost it.
What do you mean you lost it?
I don't know where it's at. Found a fuel pump.
Yo, James. Shit's on fire, yo.
Oh, that's because hey, I got the fuel pump.
Oh. Yeah,
You'll be fine.
it's okay.
Fire! Exclamation mark. Fire! Exclamation mark. Help me! Exclamation mark.
It's nice. I'm happy. I'm tired. I don't know you, but me, I'm tired today. This one doesn't quite fit. But I don't know if I should be surprised. Like it goes there, I bring it to the top, but it doesn't line up. The holes don't line up. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna have to give it a little more zip. So cut this up. Yes. It's okay. I got it. Yeah, I made it fall and I cut it because I'm good like that. It's called
What did you do?
it's called talent.
What?
Watch out, I have a lot of it. Oh, now I need to stand up. I've reached the stage, the amazing stage where everything hurts a lot more than it should. Doing anything is challenging my mind.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, I remember that feeling from a long time ago. Okay. Okay. This means this fits. Good news, it fits.
There you go.
Science makes sense. Okay, when you're straight, you go in, and you're straight when you're off, but when you're on, you're always, oh, look at you. Oh, who's going in? It's time.
Yeah, there's Mick Ultra in there too, but it's not cold yet. This is colder.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh,
Let's do it.
all right. About like that, huh? Zip.
Yeah.
Tuck that in there.
Make sure. Okay, there we go. The bottom is in. That corner is in.
Oh, this has got to go all the way up here, huh?
Yeah. Okay, that's in. Ah, fuck. Okay. Okay.
And I gotta tell you, it was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
I was bending the metal, not this.
Yeah, wait. No, wait. I'm seeing tons of challenges everywhere right now.
Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you like them. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have time, go check us out on other social medias to see what's going on.